In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use data validation in Excel to control the kind of information that can be entered into specific cells. For example, restricting inputs to only business hours. This can be incredibly useful if, say, you're managing a schedule or need to ensure consistent data entry within your spreadsheet. Let's start by selecting the cells where you want to apply this restriction. You might have a particular column or a range of cells where specific data entry is crucial, and you want to ensure only valid entries are accepted. With your desired cells highlighted, navigate to the Data tab at the top of the Excel window. Here you'll find a host of options, but for our purposes, locate and click on Data Validation. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Allow. This is where you can choose the type of data you want to permit. Since we're focusing on restricting entries to business hours, you'll want to select time from this drop-down. By doing so, you tell Excel that only time entries will be valid in these cells. Next, it's important to define the limits for these time entries. For instance, if your business hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you'll set these as your start and end times. This way, anyone attempting to enter a time outside this range will find their input rejected, keeping your data consistent and accurate. To further assist users interacting with your spreadsheet, you can provide guidance by clicking on the Input Message tab. Here you have the opportunity to write a custom message that will appear whenever someone selects a validated cell. This message can offer clarity on what's expected, such as, please enter a time between 9 o'clock a.m. and 5 o'clock p.m., which helps to minimize the risk of errors. Speaking of errors, it's also critical to manage how they are handled. Click over to the Error Alert tab. In this section, you can customize the warning message and style that will appear if someone attempts to enter invalid data. This allows you to provide a clear notice, such as invalid time entry. Please ensure the time is within business hours, which can help users quickly recognize and correct their mistakes. After setting all these parameters according to your needs, click OK to apply the data validation settings. Now, when you click on a validated cell, you'll see the input message you wrote earlier, guiding users on what to do. Should someone enter data that falls outside your specified range, an error alert will automatically pop up, enforcing the rules you've established and maintaining the integrity of your spreadsheet's data. By implementing this feature, you're not only increasing the reliability of the information gathered, but also ensuring your data remains consistent and actionable. This simple yet powerful tool in Excel can truly enhance your data management processes.